The Harvest Wireless Out 250B antenna offers wide coverage across popular high-frequency and 6-meter amateur bands, making it a versatile choice for base station operators. Its transmit and receive range from roughly 3.5 to nearly 90 megahertz allows reliable communication on many bands without constantly changing antennas. The antenna is designed with a power handling capability suitable for typical single sideband operation, giving hobbyists confidence for regular on-air use. A carefully matched 50-ohm impedance and low standing wave ratio help ensure efficient power transfer and easier radio tuning. The sturdy construction, including hardware rated for strong wind conditions, makes it a dependable option for permanent outdoor installation. Despite its substantial length for effective performance, the antenna remains manageable in weight and uses a common UHF connector for straightforward mounting and hookup.